Guys, so we got this 09 Impala here, and it won't crank, and I get no codes, and I can't take the key out of the ignition. Even if I put it in park, can't take the key out. So it's in park, nothing. So if I come in here and I try to talk to the BCM, I'm going to show you guys this. Display codes, current codes. It'll say no codes, okay? So if we go back, try to go into any data, like brake pedal, it'll say no com. Let's see, we'll go back. Data, interior lighting, no com, okay? Let's go back. Oops, let's go back into that. Where's our body control module? We go under function test, output controls. I think we'll try the horn. No com. Let's go back. Special or output controls. Let's try wiper relay because that always works on these. No com. So I checked the fuses down there. I checked the fuses under the like this thing gets really hot. I had unplugged the speed sensor back there. Everything else goes to the connector. But I'm thinking we got reflashed this ECU. I ran in this a couple times where you have no parental display like this. So I'm going to try to reflash this with the GM software and we'll see what happens here. See if it works. I checked, there was no blown fuses. I didn't check to make sure we had power and everything. I could do that. I just want to see if we can reflash this first. So guys, look, when programming finished, hazard lights flashing, high beams on. Look at that, everything like woke up. So let me put stuff together in the front and then we'll see if our key turns off. Okay, so it looks like we need to put our jump pack back on. There we go. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Shut it off. Look at that. It works. Let me clean this stuff up. Guys, I got the car back together. Let's see. Look at that. I can go and drive now. Reverse. Drive. There we go. Let's look at our codes. Probably have codes from programming. We gotta do the calibration. Variant not programmed. Let's go back. Let's see functional test, special functions, brake pedal calibration. Procedure complete. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. So we got this code. Let's go back. This might be for the airbag module. Let's see, airbag module. Set up. BCM now set up with the sensing port number, stopping communication. Oh, see, it's a service airbag. Huh. No, it doesn't. Let's see, let's go back. Let's go to body control module. Display current codes. Current codes. None. Look at that. Let's see. Let's do a clear all codes. Should probably shut the car off. Probably shouldn't have been doing this while it was running. Okay. Let's go under body control module. Remember how we didn't have any data? I bet you we'll have data now. Look at that. Let's go back. Let's go to our functional test, output control. Let's do a wiper relay. Let's turn it on. Oh, look at that. So that all works now. Let's do a... I'd restart the car, but I'm afraid it won't start because the battery being bad. I have to turn my jump pack on. Look at that. We got no codes. So I think this is good to go. No service airbag message anymore because we did the SDM. That's what needed, reprogramming. Saved them probably a lot of money replacing the BCM. This is like the third or fourth one that I've had about this. My friend JC told me about reprogramming these. Oh, look at that. Nothing now because the battery. Oh, you hear my jump pack beeping. That battery is stone dead. Look at that. Now the lights come on. Oh, because the battery died. Oh, that sucks. Okay guys, so I cleared codes and now it'll start. I have it hooked up to my truck too. See that? So let's do a code scan. I think the only codes were for the actuator being stuck. There we go. Look at that. Hope you guys like this one. See you later. I'll tell you guys this, the floor lights came on and the dome light. These weren't on earlier. So that was another sign, and I don't think the door locks work. Or, I remember door locks start working when these things get corrupted. So, hope you guys like this. See you later.